fun and easy etude to learn. Really not really hard if you guys are learning the double stops in violin. It's one of the easier violin etudes to try and practice, but it offers quite a lot of interesting technique moments where you have to think about the substitution, the finger maneuvering, also how to place fingers ahead of time on the string, sometimes same finger on both strings and things like that. So there's quite a lot you can learn here from this little etude. I highly recommend you practice this one. And remember, you have to have relatively newer strings for them to sound decent. If your strings are over 1 year old, they're probably too old, and it's going to be really challenging to make them sound in tune. So you might want to buy new strings. It's true for me too. I try to change my strings once every quarter because I play a lot. Anyway, this is a good little etude, can be dispatched pretty quick depending on your skills. So hopefully just a day or maybe 2 days. And yeah, so I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching my content. Let me know if you have any ideas. I'll be happy to take a look. Thank you, and see you in the next one.